Isang mainit ho na tanghali, mga kapatid, sa ating lahat. Reflecting on our readings today, particularly the Gospel, I was reminded by a certain married woman who worked very hard to get rich. However, she was involved in money lending, 10% interest per month. She approached me and asked why she was unhappy. She was unsatisfied and disturbed, impatient, easily got irritated, and had no peace of mind. In fact, she became paranoid. My dear brothers and sisters, in our daily lives, we always hunger for many things. Gusto ko ito. Dapat makuha ko ito. Sana makapunta rin ako doon. Or magkaroon din ako ng ganito. We always hunger for many things. Jesus is asking, why do you work for food that cannot last? Why not work for food that endures forever, which I prepared for you? My dear brothers and sisters, Jesus invites his listeners to strive for higher realities. The multiplication of the loaves is not meant to impress people with spectacular things, nor provide them food just to satiate physical needs. It is meant to be a sign that points beyond what the senses perceive. The crowds failed to see beyond the miracle. There's more than bread that keeps man alive. My dear brothers and sisters, Jesus' life exemplifies obedience to God's will. Remember his words, "My food is to do the will of my Father." To do God's will serve as food that nourishes, the imperishable food that gives life. This food for eternal life is what we call the Eucharist. My dear brothers and sisters, many learned people seek Christ through speculations and scholarships. But Christ can be found only by pondering and believing. Why do we seek Christ? Is a good question we could reflect today. How different are we from the crowds who sought him for what he can give them? Jesus answered them in order for them to know what are the things that last, by saying, "This is the work of God, that you believe in the one He sent.